Have a good day, Joe.
Oh, you too. Andre Crawford. All right, if you'll come forward.
Yes.
All right, so you all agreed on an amount, $3,700.
Yes, Your Honor. That's what the victim, there's a document in there that came from Target, because this occurred at Target where he was employed. There's a document in there from Target where they, I guess, interviewed the defendant about the items he stole, and he admitted to the amount specifically that's requested by the state.
All right, so when are you going to pay for this?
I can pay payments over time, Your Honor.
So when you say you can pay for this over time, how much are you talking about per month?
A month I can pay 500.
All right, so can you pay 500 per month, or are you just telling me what I want to hear?
No, yes, Your Honor, I can pay 500.
Do you have employment?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 003791, State versus Andrew Xavier Crawford. And are you Mr. Crawford?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You entered a plea of no contest on September 16th. And according to this, he was to pay $500 already. So has he paid $500?
No, ma'am, he's not been able to do that.
Why not?
I get paid for my employment tomorrow, and I have the money today, but sometimes my check comes early, but it's not like always the same. Like it's not always the same time, and I get paid tomorrow. I was gonna have
State?
Yes, ma'am. He said that he would have the money today, and by now he hasn't. So obviously that raises concerns.
All right. So here's the issue for the court. The issue is that this was set on September 16th. You entered a plea, and the court, you said you would pay $500 by the next setting.
Yes, sir.
So here we are in December.
Yes, sir.
So when are you going to have the $500?
I can have it tomorrow. I can bring in money to you.
All right. Your bondsman did an affidavit to surrender surety. So what I'll do is how are you paid?
Weekly.
No, I mean, are they doing those things where they give you a credit card or direct deposit?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to you today, and I'm going to order that $500 be paid towards restitution tomorrow. If it is not paid, a motion to revoke will be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. State, you may be excused. Are you Xavier Crawford?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand for me? Yes. All right. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what do you do for a living?
Work at BJ's.
And do you have any children?
No, you're.
Do you have family support?
Yes, sir.
And who is your family support?
Mom.
All right. Do you live with them?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. This is what the court is going to do. All right. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This isn't a motion to revoke. Oh, that's okay. I'm going to white it out. All right. And have you had any type of mental health issues in the past? All right. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 40 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be restitution to Target in the amount of $3,746.99. And I don't know how he's going to pay the 99 cents because they're doing away with the penny. So $500 to Target that needs to be in a money order or cashier's check is due on December 16th, 2025. There's to be 200 hours community service restitution. Why is there a request for healthy relationships?
This was not meant that we were up for that.
All right.
My understanding is it'll be taken into consideration.
All right. So there's to be 200 hours community service restitution. 100 hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of the healthy relationships course, which I'm ordering. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied upon the completion of the anti-theft course, which I am ordering. And have you had any type of mental health issues in the past? All right, there's to be no contact with Target. That's any Target. So don't go to any Target. Or Michaela, PEAN. There's to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. With regards to a case to be taken in consideration, it's not in your plea bargain agreement.
My understanding was to be
I mean, it's not listed. State, is there something that's being taken in consideration?
I can provide you with
Well, no. I'm just saying what your plea bargain agreement is with this court. There's no TIC. If the state is saying there's a TIC, then the court will, of course, follow that, but that's not in the plea bargain agreement. Probation, is there anything else that's needed? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
He has a setting on the outstanding misdemeanor today.
All right. And could somebody look and find out, is he taken into custody because the bondsman did an affidavit to surrender surety for this case? And I issued a judge's warrant and remanded with you without bond on October 23rd. Why did you not appear?
Because I had an accident.
Because what?
Because I had an accident in the morning.
An accident what?
An accident in the morning.
What type of accident was that?
I was taking my brother to school in the morning for my appointment, and I got rear-ended
And did you inform your attorney of that?
like hours later.
The court didn't receive notice of that, because if the court would have received notice of that, the court would have recalled the warrant.
Yes, sir.
So what information did you tender?
I didn't.
Judge, he called me, I appeared, I notified you. You asked me where he was and some other questions. And I tried to obtain information from the clinic, and the clinic sent me the document that I could not open. So, and then Norma indicated that she would just reset the case.
Normally what?
The coordinator indicated that she would reset the case to a different date. And we did furnish a request from the clinic to excuse him from court. And I believe you indicated to the coordinator that that wasn't sufficient. So I tried to get something more.
No, I mean, in this court, if somebody says they've been in an accident, they need to provide documentation. So my question is, was documentation ever provided to the court?
Beyond what I just described, the request from the clinic, no.
All right. So, yes.
I just wanted to let the court know that he does have a misdemeanor harassment case, and as part of the agreement that Megan made with defense counsel, it's to be judgment satisfied, not TIC.
All right. All right. So the court will recall the warrant since this case is closed. And I'm only recalling the warrant for cause number 2025 CR 003791. So if he has a warrant elsewhere, he needs to take care of that. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
And you need to have that paid. Otherwise, a motion to revoke is going to be filed.
Yes, ma'am. And where do I bring it? Where do I bring it?
You speak to probation and they'll let you know. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Who's next? All right, the court is calling 2019 CR 7765 State versus Angel Joel Varela. And are you Mr. Varela?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Angel Joel Varela who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 7765 for the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault on June 13, 2022 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. We are going to go forward on violation of condition number 1 from the supplement first amended motion to revoke. That is on or about the 17th day of March, 2024 in Yuma County,
Oh,
Arizona.
I'm so sorry. I don't have the supplemental. All right, did you review the supplemental motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney as well?
That's the one I signed, correct?
No. It's telling you,
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
all right. The supplemental motion is telling you what allegation the state is saying that you committed that are a violation of your probation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review the supplemental with your attorney as well?
Yes, Your
All right, they're just going to get that for me because I don't have it. All right, thank you. Sometimes it gets lost in the system. Thank you. All right, state, you may proceed. Oh, it's still the First Amendment. I thought you said supplemental.
No. I corrected first amended. Your Honor.
Then I have that. All right, let's proceed.
All right. On or about the 17th day of March, 2024 in Yuma County, Arizona, the defendant Angel Joel Varela committed the offense of aggravated driving under the influence in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Honor.
And the state will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is that the court grant the state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt revoke the community supervision and sentence the defendant to 3 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
All right. Is that what you're requesting, counsel?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Angel Joel Varela.
All right. What have you completed on probation?
Well, Your Honor, on probation, I was going to work, being a law-abiding citizen, just trying to do my best to stay out of the way. Or be a good father to my kids. And really just my cousin, he passed away. I was really close to him.
Just talking real quick.
Yes.
While I'm thinking of this, when we signed the paperwork, I told him he did have a limited right to an appeal, and you did
Yeah.
ask him if he was waiving his right to appeal. So can I just explain to him what that means?
Sure. So what have you completed?
Having a job and being there for my kids.
I mean, everybody does that.
And while I was in prison, I completed anger management classes. I completed a cognitive behavior classes.
So you've been sentenced on the other cases?
Judge, he was sentenced to up to 2.5 years in Yuma, Arizona. I believe he did 1.5 years. If I'm reading the
Do
judgment,
you know that cause number?
yes. You ready?
Yes.
It's number S1400CR 2024000523.
All right. So you completed cognitive and that was while you were in custody?
It was just anger management
Cognitive anger management, there's another one,
and behavior analysis.
And that was while you were in custody?
Yes.
and that happened while he's on probation.
Okay. All right. This is what the court will do. The court is finding violation of condition number 1 true, and that's the violation with regards to aggravated driving. The court will grant the state's motion, revoke, sentence you to 3 years in the prison. This will run concurrently with S1400. Did you say CR?
Yes, Your Honor.
CR 2024000523. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Liliana Martinez. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There is a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And according to your plea bargain agreement, there's no outstanding restitution. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Not from the state.
Judge, it's just he wants me to make sure he's getting his back time for all the time he did Bear County, which I think he's entitled to, right?
Yes.
And then you're giving him his credit for the time that he served on this case in Yuma?
Yes, and it's running concurrently. And legally, I must give you credit for any time served.
Okay.
All right, we can go with the record. Do better. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself living your life in somebody's prison or somebody's jail. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
You're
Merry
welcome.
Christmas.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you.
Appreciate it.